The record number of migrants crossing the southern border is now stretching resources in cities thousands of miles away. Now the mayors of New York and Washington, D.C. are pleading for some help. Here's Gabe Gutierrez.
Far from the U.S. southern border, the mayor of Washington, D.C., a Democrat, has asked the National Guard to help handle more than 4,000 migrants recently bused to the nation's capital.
I've asked for the deployment of the Guard as long as we need the Guard to deal with the humanitarian crisis.
The request comes after Texas's Republican governor, in what Democrats call a political stunt, started sending migrants to D.C. But Republicans blame the Biden administration after a record number of illegal border crossings in May. Also, according to internal documents reviewed by NBC News, 73 migrants, including 13 children, were recently found living in stash houses operated by human smugglers in northwest D.C.
Every single community in America is now a border city. This is a national crisis.
New York's mayor is also asking the federal government for help. His office says about 4,000 asylum seekers have entered the city's homeless shelter system since late May.
If there was ever an all-hands-on-deck moment, this is it.
Have you ever seen numbers like this?
Not really, not really.
Catholic Charities in New York City is busier than ever.
Right now, this is a new emergency.
Kervis and Antonia say they're from Venezuela.
Why'd you come? ¿Por qué veniste?
A better life for my daughter, she says. They were among those bused to the northeast from Texas after a grueling journey through Central America. My daughter said she trusted us, but it was hard, she says, because at one point we almost ran out of food. Migrant arrests at the border did drop 14% in June after hitting that all-time high the month before. Lester?
All right, Gabe, thank you.